Dear students, welcome to you all in English class. Hope you all are very fine at home. Today we are going to study chapter first. It's your literature reader story, How Camel Got His Hump. It's a fable written by noted writer Rudyard Kipling. The story is about the story is about a lazy camel who lives in a howling desert. He didn't want to walk. He ate sticks and thorns. He said hump when anyone spoke to him. At the end, he got a hump on his back. Jin asked him to do work honestly as other animals are doing. The important characters of the story: horse, a hard-working animal. He did his work himself very honestly. Dog, fetch and carrying things, working hard. Ox, plowing the field, complete his work on time. Camel, very lazy and idle, living in middle of the desert, and always replied hum. Jinn, a very just and fair in charge of the desert. Now, plot of the story or the short summary of the story. One Monday, a horse approached with the saddle on his back and asked Camel to trot like the rest of them. The camel gave him a cold reply and said hump. The horse went away and informed the man. Then a dog came with a stick in his mouth. He asked him to come along to do some work. But as usual, the camel said hump. Then dog left to tell to the master. Thereafter came an ox with the yoke on his neck and asked to plow like him. The camel replied the same hump. The ox reported the men about this. At the end of the day, they complained to men about this. At the end of the day, they complained to the men, but the men asked them to work double time to make up or compensate the work of the camel. This annoyed the three men. They held a panchayat on the edge of the desert. The camel listened it but ignored them and left. Then appeared a jinn who were in charge of the desert. They put forward their complaint before the jinn and then he decided to teach him a lesson. The jinn wrapped himself in his dust cloak and went into the desert to find the camel. The jinn found the camel who was looking at his reflection in water. He asked the reasons of his reluctance to walk. It was expected from the camel to do three works since Monday. Jinn waited for his reply, who in turn said hum. Jinn warned him by saying that he wouldn't say hum again and again. He just wanted him to walk. His adamant attitude annoyed the jinn. When the camel was seeing his reflection in water, his back suddenly gave up a hump. Jinn explained to him that it was his own hump. He himself had brought it upon him. By not working, he got punishment of his wrongdoings. The camel was shocked to see that and asked him, how can I do work with this long hump on my back? Jinn said that he could complete his work without taking any food or water. Jinn also added that he favored the camel and now he should join the three. He warned him to behave properly. However, he still doesn't catch up with the initial 3 days that he missed at the beginning of the world. and that hump is as a penalty of that missing days on his back. So student, this explanation over, and I hope you understand the story. Now mind map of the chapter in 8 steps. It will be very helpful to you for memorizing the lesson in a shortcut way. Now, moral of the story. The moral of the story is that nothing is achieved by sitting idle and wasting time. All living things must work, and laziness is not a good thing. So, students, I hope you understand the moral of the story, how the camel got punishment for not doing work on time and showing laziness. So, read other stories of Rudyard Kipling. This link is given to you. You can read many classical books written by Rudyard Kipling. Thank you. Thank you so much, students.